On Tuesday, DuWayne Bosse is back with us. And DuWayne, let's talk about the wheat market, some new highs for the move. And can we keep going in that market, do you think?
Boy, that's the $1 million question, right? I mean, obviously, we're not trading our fundamentals as much as we're trading the global wheat prices. If the European markets are up sharply overnight, it seems like our night trade follows it as well. The oligos tend to follow it, go higher. And then during the day, I think we get farmers selling and pulls it back down. I know I'm telling my producers up here in spring wheat area to sell this new crop spring wheat on this rally because overall, Michelle, we still have plenty of wheat here. We're not going to run out of it.
Right. And we've got to see some exports maybe come over to the U.S.
Right.
to keep this going, don't we?
Right. We are hearing a lot of stories from private forecasters of Russia's wheat crop getting smaller and smaller. And, as we do that, everyone tends to outdo themselves and get a smaller number and we rally the market, maybe rightfully so, but it doesn't mean anything if we don't export some more wheat out of here domestically.
What do you think about soybeans setting back on Tuesday along with the meal market? So, is that maybe a little bit bigger acre talk or confirmation of China business that hasn't showed up or what?
I think combination of both. Yeah. Over the weekend, it was somewhat wet in the Midwest. So there's a little bit of talk of maybe a couple less corn acres, maybe that 1 million more soybean acres. And I can buy into that. And then this 1250 resistance has been there too, right? We struggle with that on a chart. And like you said, all the talk last week was that China's in here buying some more old crop beans from us. We still don't have confirmation of that.
What about the corn market? Did corn just follow soybeans and meal, or what's going on in that corn market right now?
Probably just a big follower. I think it followed wheat up overnight, and then it followed soybeans down later in the day here today. Struggling. I think it needs a new bullish story if it's really going to make another leg higher here, and I don't have that story right now.
What about the switch of acres away from, corn to soybeans or PP acres or whatever?
Yeah, I guess I'm in the camp that I think USDA was too low on their acre estimate on March 31st. So even if we are losing some acres to prevent plant, that doesn't mean you guaranteed less corn acres on June 30th when we update those acres. So I'm not making that adjustment yet myself.
It's DuWayne Bosse, Bolt Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rourke on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
For marketing advice, call Bolt Marketing, a futures and options brokerage firm.